Hi, I wanted to do another puddle pour, so I'm popping back in, and I wanted to do it with black this time. And to start with this one, I am going to put the black on the corners and the edges first, and I'm going to add a nice layer of black to my canvas first. So we're going to do a little different than we did the previous one, because I just wanted to show you there's different ways to do the same technique to hopefully just give you guys some ideas and get you inspired to try something different. Okay, let me just double check that. Okay. My table's starting to get messy, which is just all right with me. So now, just add some black, and I'm just using my finger. You can use a paintbrush, a spatula, anything that will move the paint. It's up to you. I just do my finger because it's one less tool I have to clean. Okay. Got a nice little layer of black on there. Oops. Knew I was going to miss a spot. Okay. Get our napkin. And I have some colors that are pre-mixed already that I thought I'd just go ahead and use. Here's a beautiful pink color. I'm just going to make small circles this time. Where last time I made larger circles. And last time I did not put the white as the base first. I just let the color puddles form, and then I put the white around the puddles, which that's fine too. There's no right and wrong. And if you can see, I'm pinching this and making a little pour spout. And I'm just going right on top. I'm gonna do one more layer. And if you need to move these sticks, that is fine. Whatever is easier for you. Then I'll do some pink. And some yellow. And I'm going to do a blue on top. And if you wanted to do these puddles all different rotating colors, you can do that too. I just wanted to kind of stay the same. You can tell my canvas is sagging in the middle because all my puddles are going to the middle. And that's because I bought my canvases in bulk and they're quickly made. They don't pay a lot of attention to quality in some of these canvases. But that's why I like them. They're affordable, they're fun to practice on. And it helps you learn how to move the paint. Okay. Me too. Another blue. Oh, got a little drop there. Well, that's where it's going to live now. Okay. And I'm going to finish with some black. Okay. Now, my cups are sticking to the bottom. There we go. Let's start tilting in a circle, because I would like to try to maintain the circles. My last one I got a little excited, stretched them all out, and I do love how it turned out though. That's part of the fun of this, just to let go of any expectations and just kind of go with it. Let it take a life of its own. Okay, look at there. What do you guys think so far? I'm loving it. Almost looks like geodes. Oh, I lost that circle. It's all right. And feel free to stretch and experiment, because if you do not like the result of what you're doing, you can pour right on top of it when it's dry. What do you think of this? Definitely let me know what you think. Any questions? We have a Facebook group. It's a private community group just for this class. Post your questions and definitely post your art. Let me see what you're creating. I would love to see how your puddle pours are turning out, what colors you're using. I'm just going to show you. Look at, I went ahead and I stretched off this circle. This circle's over here and this one's here because I really like this veining. See this intricate lines that are showing up right there? When you stretch them out, the lines are starting to open up. I think that looks amazing. And the pink next to that blue, the blue kind of faded into the yellow. So yellow and blue make green. So there's little hints of green in here. But some of the blue, electric blue right around there. Very awesome. One of my favorite techniques, super easy, super powerful and dramatic. So let me know what you guys are up to and what you create. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.